A welder was erecting scaffolding inside a vessel that was under construction. The welder attached the scaffolding to the bulkhead using bracket clips that are temporarily tack welded in place. The welder was trained and certified to install and weld these type of clips. After he finished assembling the scaffold structure with temporary welds, the welder walked out onto the scaffold boards. One of the bracket clips failed, causing him to fall 18 feet to the deck below. He died from massive injuries. The bracket clips, which require full welds, were only tack welded. The welder should not have climbed onto the scaffolding with tack welded clips. Welds must be inspected before a scaffolding structure is placed into use. The welder was wearing a body harness but did not tie off. Always wear a full body harness and tie off at heights of 5 feet or more. When accessing scaffolds, ladders should extend 3 feet above scaffold boards.